Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the terminal block screw kit in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead blade screwdrivers and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new terminal block screw kit. The terminal block screw kit allows you to connect the power cord to the terminal block. A simple thing like a loose connection would cause damage to the wire terminal, to the terminal screw and the nut, and possibly to the terminal block. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the screw that holds the terminal block cover and remove the cover. At this point, determine which of the terminal screws and nuts must be replaced, unless you wish to change them all. In most cases, you will need a new wire terminal also, so cut the wire off, strip the insulation, and install the new terminal on. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take out the screws and disconnect the power cord. Next, take out 2 Phillips screws that hold the terminal block to the cabinet and carefully, not to damage the wires, pull the block out. Turn the block over and using the flat blade screwdriver, bend the tab straight to open it. Turn the block over again, push the terminal in to unlock it and to remove it. Now we have access to the old nut. Remove it. This is the old terminal block screw kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Drop in the new nut. Slide the end of the terminal under the side tabs. Put down the terminal so the little hook holds the nut and pull it back. Using the flat blade screwdriver, bend the locking tab to fix the terminal in place. Repeat the procedure to replace the rest of the terminal block screws and nuts. Install the terminal block onto the cabinet and secure to the 2 Phillips screws. Using the new screws and the 1/4-inch nut driver, connect the power cord to the terminal block. Connect them left to right. I know it's kind of hard, but under no circumstances do not mix them around. The left side wire goes to the left terminal, the middle wire to the middle terminal, and the right side wire to the right terminal. Tight them well. Now we can install the cover. Slide this tab on the left side into the slot and secure the right side with a 1/4-inch screw. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.